As with winding the bobbins and threading the needles, different machines require slightly different methods when installing their bobbins. In almost all cases, the filled bobbin has its thread in a counterclockwise direction. With top loaders, this is the way the bobbin sits in its bobbin casing. That space is found under the cover. Simply drop the bobbin into place, stop it from turning, and slip the thread into the thread tension mechanism. With older machines like this one, it is required for the bobbin thread to be raised above the needle plate. The needle thread is used to draw it up. Notice that the needle thread is free above the foot. Hold it in your left hand. Turn the hand wheel towards you as always. The machine, in fact, is making a stitch by circling the entire bobbin casing and catching the bobbin thread. When the cycle is complete, pull on the needle thread to draw the bobbin thread up. Again, use something sharp like your tailor's awl to draw the bobbin thread through. The two strands should be at least 15 centimeters long. The needle thread passes through the gap in the foot and both are placed towards the back. The machine is now ready for a test stitch. We always do this before stitching our work, as not to waste time on picking when a simple threading error can be fixed quickly. Here is another top loader. This modern brother machine has a bobbin installation shown on the machine. As before, the bobbin is dropped into position with the thread in an anti-clockwise direction. It follows the path through the tension mechanism. This one, however, does not require to be drawn up. There is a small blade at the end of the path that will cut the thread. And the machine is now ready for a test stitch. There are also front-loading bobbins with removable bobbin casings. Now the thread runs in a clockwise direction. The bobbin slips into the casing and the thread is passed into the slit and under the tension plate all the way. Be aware of the locating pin on the bobbin casing, which needs to align with the notch in the housing. Here. The bobbin will drop out of its casing unless the lever is held. This helps a lot when inserting the bobbin. Push to click and engage fully. In this machine again, the bobbin thread does not need to be drawn up. After trimming, the machine is ready for stitching. Let's take a closer look at exactly how stitches are made. Above, the take-up lever supplies enough thread through the eye of the needle for the hook mechanism to grab the needle thread and circle the entire bobbin housing and eventually forming a loop around the bobbin thread. With each stitch, the take-up lever tightens the needle thread below the fabric, drawing the bobbin thread close. All this while the feed dogs move the fabric according to the set stitch length. Absolutely fabulous if you think how quickly, smoothly and effortlessly all this happens. Here we have a bobbin casing with a longer locating pin. If it swings around, the casing will drop out. The machine will not stitch and you could break a needle. The pin must align and click into position. In this case, the bobbin thread needs to be drawn up as before stitching can commence. As a final treat, we go back to 1927, when this wonderful Frister and Rossmann machine was made. The bobbin and bobbin casing look alien compared to what we have today. Just enjoy the ride.